I'm going to show you how to remove the carriage from your Underwood portable 3-bank. I've removed my paper plate and platen just because I'm working on those parts, so you don't need to do that part. So it's the same way whether those pieces are there or not. So the first thing that I do is I'm going to remove the carriage lock, which is on the left side of the front rail. And I remove this because it's going to be getting in the way when we replace the carriage later on. I've also removed the bell assembly from the back. The next thing we're going to do is remove this piece. And you'll note that there's a screw on either side, and there's this wheel thingy in the middle. Do not touch the wheel because inside it are a bunch of teeny tiny ball bearings, and I had to learn that the hard way when I was working on my parts machine. So we're going to remove each screw from either side. Okay, so that piece is off, which is really the only thing you have to take off in order to get this carriage off. And it's a little finicky, so bear with me. So since my platen is off and my little carriage release lever is not on the machine right now, in order to move the carriage, I have to lift up on this rail, which is underneath the carriage. If I lift up on that, I can slide the carriage easily around. You'll need to remove this roller piece, and if you don't see it at this point, you're going to have to poke it through with a long screwdriver from the other side. It has to come out. There's also a teeny tiny stop screw at the very end of the carriage rail holding it in place. So now just move your carriage to the left and tilt it forward a little bit, and it should come right off. And that's it.